Today, we'll be taking a look at your freezer slider control on this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, let's go ahead and open the freezer and then pull out the freezer shelf. In order to do so, pull it halfway, lift it all the way up, out, and then set it to the side. Next, we need to remove the air tower. In order to do so, we will use a small flat blade screwdriver or something to pry this off right here. You're going to take that off and just kind of set it to the side. Then we have one 1/4 inch screw in the middle. Take this out. And we are going to start to remove the air tower by pressing in on the clips on the sides of the air tower. Start to lift up and set it to the side. Now with the air tower put on a protected surface, we have clear access to this slider control in here. Now, the main purpose of this slider is to reduce or increase the amount of airflow that stays in the freezer. Of course, whenever you turn it over to max, it keeps the most amount of air in the freezer. When you turn it over to minimum, it opens it all the way up so more air goes down inside the refrigerator section. Now, the main reason why you'd be replacing it is if this is damaged and not allowing it to adjust. To replace it, simply pull off on the knob first. Now, when taking this off, you'll notice inside there are a couple of slotted spots in here, and you actually have to kind of bend and lift up to take it off. So what I'll do here is I'm going to push in, I'm going to bend the top up, I'm going to slide it around, pull it out, and set it to the side. When installing a new slider, you will want the large portion, almost like an L, to be directly by this stub here. And you're going to put the small squares in first, and you'll actually have to kind of twist it down and pop it in order to get that plastic over the nudge. Next, let's flip it over and reinstall the knob. It can only go in one way. There is a slotted area and a flat spot on the knob. You will slide it in corresponding to the flat spot on the slider. Give it a turn. Now we can reinstall the tower. When reinstalling your air tower, first you'll bring it in at an angle, kind of lift it up, and then drop it down so that the styrofoam goes down into the vents, and then push back on the back wall to clip it into place. Get your 1/4 inch screw and reinstall it directly in the center. We will reinstall the plate in front of the screw. Now we can reinstall the shelf. When reinstalling your freezer shelf, you will put the hooks toward the back, bring it in halfway, drop the hooks underneath the plastic, and that will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.